Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back by. Kalina is popularly known as the modern housewife, and Fandaga, we are outside. I am doing a weekend vlog. Basically, weekly vlogs, you guys. I'm doing a weekend vlog now. I'm probably not gonna do even a weekend vlog. It's going to be like a spend the day with me. Nelo's farm what in Kimberly. So I'm going to document it for you guys and show you what is what. Eh. So yeah guys, come along and see what is to offer here, and catch you on the flip side. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you like doing this with your kids. I'm on mommy mode, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Like 100 subscribers to 1,000. So please guys, let's do it. And so yeah, let me try to do a 30-minute spend the day with me video. Bye.
Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart, girl, just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you. What happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby?
Yay!
Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no
having so much fun. What's later? Slide. Slide. Eh, Jima. Jima, Jima. Jima. While I'm watching my daughter, let me explain to you what's happening in Nelo's farm. Kiddies Park. They offer quad bikes for grown-ups, go-karts, there's zip lines, and then there's a play area. Yeah, thank you, Woods. There's a play area for kids where we are now. Hey, Marshall. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. Huh? Thank you. So yeah, guys. So that's why we are here for the kiddies park. So I'm doing only zip line. My dad is doing quad bikes and go-karts. My brother does quad bikes only, and then my other one does zip line and quad bikes. Play area. So she's like a play area back. Almost or Tamaka somewhere. Okay, so you do see I get it. What about guy? What will I say? Oh, guys, I got my daughter. Yay, mommy! Yay! Sama. Yay, mama! Yay! Yay, Kemo! Go, Kemo! Palam. Palamahal. Palamahal. Thank you. Mwah.
Alina's now coming down.
Sama ko.
Wait, Alina.
Sama palamahal. Palam. Palam ako.
Come, let's go.
Sama palama. Sama palama. Banana palama. Nana chulo kwa, sama. Nana wil, sama palama. Sama palama hali. Palam. Guys, it's gonna take us like 5 minutes. Palama. Yeah, so we do le.
Alina, just wait, don't come down.
Palam.
Alina, wait first, you want to get down.
Palam. Palam ako.
Come down.
Tuha.
Now we're going to see the animals.
Yeah, mangka. So. Saka. Yeah, mama. Yes. Yeah, Kibu. Yes. So, go slide. It's time for you to slide. So. Go slide. Are you ready? Are you steady? Yeah! So, my son is here. How is the experience?
Great.
Do you like it here?
I went like on the zip line.
You went on the zip line.
That's zip line there.
How was it?
Great.
You have to go to the go-kart.
What time is it?
What's your favorite here?
That thing there. What time is it?
So many cars. So many people. There's money in the kids industry. So we are on our way from the kiddies park to the quad, not the quad bikes, the what? The go-karts for my son. And then from there, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if
Show them the zip line. Look how big is it. She's gonna go on it. And I'm telling you, it's very dangerous.
So I don't think I am that adventurous, but I'll see. It's so big, the zip line, you guys. So you have to zip line and then walk on these things.
Now look, you have to walk on these things as well.
Yo,
To get on the zip line.
imagine.
Dangerous game.
Too dangerous. Too dangerous.
You signed up for it.
I didn't know it was this. Let me show you guys what's happening.
That's the thing she's gonna go on.
You have to climb these steps to go to the zip line. And then after you zip to that line, you climb on the other to zip to our guys. How. This is,
Show them.
I am showing them. Yo, this,
I thought this was from there to there.
me too.
See this part.
Wow. We are going go-kart. Go, Kamo! So here's my baby boy. Tell him. So this is the
you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body.
Go, Kamo!
Treat you like a king. If I trust you, must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury.
Let's watch the go-kart. Divided by Go, Kamo! This is my son.
I know my job is a blessing, but if you hate me, rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the sheet, baby, come eat.
So yeah, guys, I was telling you about go-karting. So go-karting is this small car. You'll see my son driving it. Woo woo! So I think the price here is 130 for I don't know how many laps, but the laps are so big. They have a big land, but gifted in terms of land. Yeah, it's a nice sport. Yeah. I'd never do it myself, but my son loves go-karting. I think that's why I chose to go-kart. Kimberly.
We come so far.
Ke le ho simola ka modise bana. Whoa, sana. Yeah. So yeah, guys, it's a very nice experience. I think this is a nice chilled family vibes. Yeah, very nice weekend out or weekend outing. Woo! Okay guys, I'm about to zip line, so my kit is on. I'm going to do this big thing. Wish me luck.
You brave, eh? You brave, eh? Go. Go, Kia, go. Kia, yo, Shaba, Kyoli. Ooh, Kia. Go, Kia, go. Go, Kia, go. Mama Kyoli. Mama. Go, Mama, go. Go, Mama, go. Go, Dimuka. Go, Dimuka. Kwa, Shaba, kwa. Ooh, go, Mama, go. Go, Mama, go. Go, Mama, go. Oh, there you are. You've made it. You've made it. You've made it, Kia. Come. You've made it. Oh, that's two.
Open air, side by side, and sweet air and all the colors. Summer love,
Kyuli, Shaba, Kyuli.
lonesome love, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back.
Atik kau record back. Record back. Pena.
I could really use some stuff like that.
Yo itu.
Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe.
Usah coran kalian.
you're something I could use. A cure for the air conditioned blues. Could use some too.
My mother went ziplining, but oh, my grandfather didn't record the video. And this child, this child was kept on crying. So she had to stop at the middle of the air of ziplining just to go to her. She couldn't even have fun because of this baby.
Imagine what a wasteful expenditure. Where's your glove, Wena? Yo guys, didn't barely fail. Yeah, I went ziplining. I took my life. Only for my dad not to record it. Imagine what a failed what. Because clearly, sorry guys, because clearly I was doing it for the content. To fetch Papa Big and Pluto. Clearly I was doing it for content. Because what else would make me want to risk my life if not YouTube? Yeah, anyways, bye guys.
Bye.
It's now time for quad biking. So people who are doing quad biking is my dad, that's it.
Her brother / my uncle.
So I'm here with my kiddies watching my dad and my siblings do quad biking because that's not what I like doing.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do.
So there they
So
go.
shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh?
Off they go.
So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time. Stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. See it in your eyes. You want to see them more. Like we are soulmates. Something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now. Never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will So hold me tight, love is in the air tonight, night, night. Love is in the air tonight.
Oh, Joe, jump in it.
Why you guys not too much, you can say we can go.
So this is when you enter this side. Ah, that side. Right. This is just this, and then there's swans. Let me show you guys quickly. Guys, you guys know these things. You guys know these. When you enter this side, Chika swimming pool. Do you see how it is? So it's just some chillest area, and then a very beautiful clear blue pool. And then that's all, you guys. That's Nelo farm yard and adventure for you guys.